This video about micro small tiny house with rooftop. It just 3.8 and 3.8 meters for the dimension. Anyway, we can see about the rooftop area in this position, and this is about the rooftop area in the back position of this micro little tiny house. Anyway, so we can see for the surrounding tiny house, we can see about the roof design. Anyway, it has some skylight right here of the this is a skylight of the loft bed area in the interior. Anyway, we can look around for this position. So and then we can look for the interior side. This is for the interior of the micro little tiny house with compact arrangement of the furniture, fixture, and some element of the interior such as sofa area with 3 seats capacity of the sitters, and then we can look around for the TV cabinet with bar chair and bar table on there, and we can look around for L-shaped kitchen with kitchen sink, and it has some stuff. This is a cooker. This is with a cooker, and it has a refrigerator space right there. We can look around for the L-shaped kitchen. This is about a compact one, and for the this this is about the bathroom of this compact little tiny house with wastafel, shower cabin right here, and this is about the closet area right here. Okay, we can look around for the another space, and this is about the loft bed area with portable stair right there. This is a portable stair. Yeah, this is a loft bed area with a skylight right there. This is a cabinet with a railing, so it's so safety and compact design. Maybe it's around queen size of the loft bed area anyway, and with cabinet or standing shelf on the left side of this loft bed area, and this is the space for the wall shelf also. Anyway, I think it's so creative placement of the wall shelf anyway. And this is about the access to rooftop area right there. We can see from this loft bed area anyway, and I think it's enough. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a benefit to all of you about this interior arrangement, especially for this micro little tiny house with 3.8 and 3.8 meters dimension. And I hope it will be a lot of benefit and advantage to all of you, which is you will buy your own tiny house, or you will build your own tiny house by yourself anyway. Thanks for watching, and wait for my next video.